Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the depths to set the record straight about one of the ocean's most misunderstood creatures, sharks. Often portrayed as ruthless killers in movies and media, sharks have a reputation that couldn't be further from the truth. We're going to explore the fascinating world of sharks, debunk common myths, and reveal why they are not the bloodthirsty villains they are made out to be. Let's get started! The fearsome image of sharks. When you think of sharks, what comes to mind? Perhaps it's the chilling image from Jaws, or the dramatic scenes of sharks attacking swimmers in movies. Sharks have long been depicted as the ultimate predators, lurking in the depths, ready to strike at any moment. But how much of this is true? Sharks have been the subject of fear and fascination for decades. This fear is often fueled by sensational media portrayals, which emphasize their role as dangerous predators. But the reality is far more complex. Sharks are incredibly diverse creatures with over 500 species, ranging from the enormous whale shark to the tiny dwarf lantern shark. The role of sharks in the ocean ecosystem. Sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems. They are often referred to as the guardians of the reef because of their essential role in keeping marine populations in check. Top predators. As apex predators, sharks help regulate the population of other marine species, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. This balance helps maintain the health of the entire ecosystem. Biodiversity. Sharks contribute to the biodiversity of the oceans. By controlling prey populations, they help sustain the diversity of marine life. For example, without sharks, the population of smaller fish and marine creatures could explode, leading to overgrazing of seagrasses and coral reefs. Did you know that sharks have been around for over 400 million years? That makes them older than dinosaurs. Their presence in the ocean is a testament to their importance and adaptability. Debunking the myths, sharks are not man-eaters. One of the most persistent myths is that sharks are mindless man-eaters, driven by an insatiable hunger for human flesh. Let's set the record straight. Human attacks are rare. Shark attacks on humans are extremely rare. According to the International Shark Attack File, the odds of being attacked by a shark are about 1 in 11.5 million. More people are struck by lightning or bitten by dogs than are attacked by sharks. Sharks' sense of smell. Sharks have an incredible sense of smell, capable of detecting a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. However, they do not see humans as prey. Most shark attacks are cases of mistaken identity, where the shark bites a person, thinking it is a seal or other marine animal. Dietary habits. Most sharks have diets that consist of fish and marine mammals. Some, like the whale shark, are filter feeders that consume plankton. The great white shark, often portrayed as the most dangerous, primarily feeds on seals and sea lions. Human flesh is not on the menu. Have you ever wondered why sharks might attack humans? It's often because we're in their territory and they're simply curious or confused. Sharks and their incredible adaptations. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, making them one of the oldest species on the planet. Their long evolutionary history has endowed them with some amazing adaptations. Electroreception. Sharks have specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that allow them to detect the electric fields generated by the movement of prey. This ability helps them locate prey even in complete darkness. Hydrodynamic design. Sharks have a streamlined body shape that reduces drag, allowing them to swim efficiently and swiftly through the water. This design also makes them excellent hunters, able to surprise their prey with incredible speed and agility. Diverse diets. Different species of sharks have varied diets. While some sharks, like the great white, are known for eating fish and marine mammals, others, like the whale shark, are filter feeders that consume plankton. This dietary diversity underscores the adaptability of sharks to different environments. Did you know that the hammerhead shark's unique head shape enhances its vision and sensory perception? This adaptation allows them to better locate prey. Human impact on shark populations. Despite their importance in the marine ecosystem, sharks are facing numerous threats from human activities. Overfishing, habitat destruction, and pollution are pushing many shark species to the brink of extinction. Overfishing and finning, shark finning, the practice of removing fins and discarding the rest of the shark at sea, is one of the most devastating threats to shark populations. This practice is driven by the high demand for shark fins in the Asian market, where they are used to make shark fin soup. Bycatch. Many sharks are caught unintentionally as bycatch in commercial fishing operations. These indiscriminate fishing practices are not only killing sharks, but also other marine species, including dolphins, turtles, and seabirds. Habitat loss, coastal development, pollution, and climate change are destroying the habitats that sharks rely on for breeding, feeding, and shelter. Coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds are all critical habitats for sharks, and their destruction is pushing sharks further into danger. Have you heard about the plight of the hammerhead shark? Due to overfishing and the high value of their fins, their populations have plummeted by over 90% in some areas. Conservation efforts and success stories. Despite the challenges, there are many dedicated conservationists and organizations working tirelessly to protect sharks and their habitats. These efforts are showing promising results. Protected areas. Many countries have established marine protected areas, MPAs, where sharks are safe from fishing and other threats. These MPAs provide essential habitats for sharks to thrive and reproduce. Shark sanctuaries. Several nations have created shark sanctuaries banning all forms of shark fishing within their waters. These sanctuaries have helped increase shark populations in protected areas. Awareness and education. Increasing public awareness about the importance of sharks has led to greater support for conservation efforts. Campaigns and documentaries have played a significant role in changing public perceptions and reducing fear and misunderstanding of sharks. Have you ever participated in a beach cleanup or supported a marine conservation organization? Your efforts can make a difference in protecting shark habitats. The complexity of shark behavior. Sharks are not just mindless predators, they are complex creatures with fascinating behaviors and social structures. Understanding their behavior can help us appreciate them better and foster a deeper respect for these magnificent animals. Social structures. Some shark species, like the great white, are solitary hunters, while others, such as the hammerhead, are known to form social groups. These social interactions are crucial for their survival and reproduction. Migration patterns. Many shark species undertake long migrations, traveling thousands of miles across oceans. These migrations are often linked to feeding and breeding grounds, and understanding them is key to protecting shark populations. Communication. Sharks use a variety of methods to communicate, including body language, vocalizations, and electrochemical signals. These communication methods are essential for coordinating hunting strategies and mating behaviors. Did you know that some sharks return to the same breeding grounds every year? This behavior, known as philopatry, is crucial for their reproductive success and the health of their populations. The human-shark relationship. The relationship between humans and sharks is complex and has evolved over centuries. While we have long feared sharks, we have also admired and studied them, leading to a deeper understanding of their importance in the ocean. Cultural significance. In many cultures, sharks are revered and respected. Indigenous peoples in the Pacific Islands view sharks as ancestral spirits and protectors. This cultural respect has helped preserve shark populations in these regions. Scientific research. Scientists have studied sharks for decades, uncovering fascinating insights into their biology and behavior. This research has been crucial in debunking myths and highlighting the importance of sharks in marine ecosystems. Tourism and ecotourism. Shark diving and ecotourism have become popular activities, bringing people face to face with these incredible creatures. These experiences can transform fear into admiration and support for shark conservation. Have you ever been on a shark dive or seen sharks in the wild? How did that experience change your perception of these creatures? Ethical and conservation concerns. The darker side of shark behavior raises important ethical and conservation concerns. As we continue to interact with and keep sharks in captivity, it's crucial to consider their well-being and natural behaviors. Captivity. Sharks in captivity often suffer from stress, health issues, and reduced lifespans. The unnatural conditions can exacerbate aggressive behaviors and lead to psychological distress. Conservation. Wild shark populations are threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. Conserving their natural habitats and understanding their ecological roles are vital for their survival. Do you think keeping sharks in captivity is ethical? How can we balance our desire to study and learn from these creatures with their need for natural habitats? And that's a wrap for today's video! Sharks are undoubtedly fascinating and crucial to the health of our oceans. Despite the fear and misconceptions, they are not the mindless killers we often see in movies and media. Sharks are intelligent, complex creatures with a vital role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. If a friend of yours says that sharks are bloodthirsty predators, send them this video and hopefully we can convince them otherwise. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on sharks? Do you think understanding their true nature changes how we should protect them? Let's discuss in the comments below. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Much love to you all and have an amazing day. See you next time.